बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम जो सीनियर सब्जेक्ट स्पेशलिस्ट इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर BS 18 का 2013 में हुआ था वो कंप्लीट आपके सामने मैं लेके आई हूँ, उनके क्वेश्चन के आंसर के साथ और ऑप्शन के साथ भी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं जल्दी से हम अपना। इससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल नोटिफिकेशन लाजमी दबाएं ताकि आपको फ्यूचर वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। अगर किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको गलत लगे तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताइएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द ऑथर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी टैक्सेशन इज डेविड रिकार्डो। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग थ्योरी ऑफ ट्रेड साइकिल वाज propounded by W.S. Jevons sunspot theory? The strategy of economic development is the work of A.O. Fisherman. Among the following Nobel Prize winner for economic, one is an Austrian economist, F.W.V. Hayek. Capital and development planning is the work of, ये आपने खुद ढूंढना है। हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ चॉइस ऑफ टेक्निक, अमर्त्य सेन। हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ फेमस बुक एशियन ड्रामा एंड इक्विटी इनटू टू काज ऑफ पॉवर्टी ऑफ नेशन इज गुमनर मेडल। द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन बिटवीन टू परफेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन इज इन्फिनिटी। आ वर्टिकल सप्लाई का पैरेलल टू द प्राइस एक्सिस implies that elasticity of supply is zero. A significant property of the Cobb-Douglas production function is that the elasticity of substitution between equal to unity. Which of the following is also known as plant curves, long run average cost curve? Which of the following oligopoly model is concerned with maximization of joint profit? Inclusive model. The term normal profit as used in the analysis of equilibrium of the firm under perfect competitor refer to earning of management. Stagflation refers to the situation which is characterized by sustained price rise and rising unemployment. The multiple exchange rate were first implied by Germany. Gross domestic production differed from net domestic product by the amount of government income from property. The theory of surplus value is associated with Gould's socialization. The production possibility curve is concerned with opportunity cost. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 है हमारे पास। In case of complementary good is 10% can T-shaped. In case of monopoly, when total revenue is a maximum, MR0 in non-inclusive oligopoly firm enter into competition. The payoff market show, the payoff mix metric show possible outcomes. The prisoner dilemma was presented by 1950 by A.W. Truser ने 1950 में प्रेजेंट किया था। The slope of indifference curve at any point reflect marginal rate of substitution. Effective price ceiling usually result in excess demand. The invisible hand refer to the unseen condition of market economy by price system. The economic model are consistent of a statement of assumption, hypothesis, prediction, all of these. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तकरीबन हर साल आता है। Supply side economists believe restriction in trade rate can increase input and lower prices. Hyperinflation have one cause, excess monetary growth. The equation of exchange is written MP equal to QV, MB equal to PQ. आप ये इसका आंसर खुद ढूंढेंगे। In the aggregate supply curve is horizontal, it means that firm will increase output at the current price. In the simple quantity theory model, the value of money is determined by what money will buy. The simple Keynesian aggregate supply curve is upward sloping as real GDP increases. In depression economy, along as horizontal aggregate supply curve, wages and prices are sticky downward. In the classical model, desired saving would always be equal to desired investment by interest rate. Money supply side economists believe that money supply should be governed by the stock of gold. Increase in the unemployment rate above the natural rate of identity field with cyclical unemployment, to which English letter the average cost curve resembles U. External economists are shown by rising supply curve when firm produces more than an optimal capacity film overall diseconomic. The output level where elasticity of demand is equal to 1, MR is equal to 0, market price is equal to normal price. Convertible money means government can give gold against it. Demand deposit mean checkable deposit. Balance of payment of country has part 2. In a firm, marginal revenue exceeds its marginal cost. Maximum profit rules required that firm to increase its output in perfect but no necessary in imperfect competition. The relationship between marginal revenue and the price elasticity of demand is when marginal revenue is negative, demand must be elastic. Suppose that net export were to become more sensitive to changes in interest rate, you should reflect this change by drawing, ये आप खुद देखें, मुझे इसका कंफर्म नहीं है, the position and shapes of any indifference curve for any particular consumer are governed by the price of the goods bought and by amount of income, not by taste. In which of the following circumstances 114 excise tax be shifted entirely on the consumer, demand is relatively more elastic than supply. और आधा पेपर हो गया. इसके साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिए ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले, मैं मज़ीद वीडियो बना सकूँ. In a perfectly competitive industry is in long run equilibrium. All firms will have equal marginal cost. Which of the following does not represent a barrier to entry a market? Import quota. In the dominant firm model, the profit of the competitor fringe are either positive or zero but never negative. In this general theory of employment, Keynesian pointed out that the economy may be in equilibrium at less than full employment. In The Wealth of Nations, Adam Smith attempted to demonstrate the following about international trade. Countries should produce only those commodities for which they have absolute advantage. To avoid double counting, when GNP is estimated, economists price all goods and services bought and sold in all market, which with K equal to 0. 15. What is the ratio of the transaction demand for money to the speculative demand for money? 5:1. Optimality is defined at Verifedo Petro. Thinking person weight, benefit and cost of welfare program. The law of diminishing marginal return to a factor of production is none of these. The risk-free rate of interest would not be affected by, ये आपने देखना है, a variable whose value is determined within the economic model is called endogenous. A linear downward sloping demand curve represent unitary elasticity. A decrease in the marginal propensity to import will lead to an increase in GNP. Term of trade between two countries refer to ratio of export and import. The liquidity trap region, monetary policy is completely ineffective. In oligopoly, the idea of kink is used to explain और 67 हमने ढूंढना है. In Sweezy model, the role of MC curve can be ignored. In Burton model, the role of MC curve band in Nash equilibrium, the player does not deviate from his strategy. The higher ISO count in Edgeworth box diagram, higher output. Welfare economists create great utility. Special Darwin Rigged are in financial asset created by the International Monetary Fund. Harry-Domer model is based upon three distinct rates of growth. The value of Gini of coefficient range below 0 and 1. According to price is also known as shadow price. Marketable surplus is also known as retained agriculture surplus. Reverend Thomas Malthus presented a theory which describes a relationship between population growth and economic development in an easy and unprincipled population. And 1798. Traditionally, it is said that the rapid economic growth is harmful for poor because of inequality and absolute poverty. The social and physical disincentive for economic growth will be rise. The Kasi rent rises when prices of capital goods rise because of limited supply of capital goods short run. The income and price elasticity of demand for agricultural goods in world market is very low. Excess capacity is concerned with the U-shaped traditional cost. The engineer production function and engineer cost curve are concerned with production cost. According to Baumol-Tobin cash management model, money gave both A and B convenience or internal foregone. When the critical rate of interest is lower than actual rate of interest, the bondholder will keep all wealth in the form of cash. Slope of LM is determined by sensitivity of money demand in real income or rate of interest. Question number 88. The reserve deposit ratio is determined by special policies of bank, functional policy of bank, business policy of bank. So all of this is considered. The simplest definition of money supply is MI equal to C plus D. The classical LM curve is vertical in liquidity trap when prices fall due to cut in monetary wages. Economy will attain unemployment. Alexander Hamilton and Friedrich developed the infant industry argument of tariff basis. ये इसका कंफर्म नहीं है. Normal unemployment can be divided into three main categories. In case of monopoly with T or fall, then elasticity greater than 1. A firm in case of monopoly is price setter. The average total cost is TC equal to ASC. Human capital is formed through the education of white knowledge. Capital is created through expenditure, research and development and learning through doing. Curtis and price leadership have been excessively analyzed by W. Fallons. Under price discrimination, the buyer must not be similar. The game theory takes into consideration reaction of rival firm. तो ये था हमारा 2013 का पेपर. आई होप आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा, आपको आइडिया मिलेगा कि पेपर कैसा है.